Welcome back. And now, women of Shiroda and Bori are backing PWD Minister Sudin Daulikar's bikini ban statement. The women marched to Deputy Collector of Ponda office on Friday. They petitioned the Deputy Collector Johnson Fernandez saying culture should be protected.
Sudin Daulikarक support करपा लागून आयला. की Sudin Daulikarक काय कितें सांगला न्ही पब आनी पण बिकिनी घालून थंय बारांनी अशें हें करप न्ही हें आमकां पटलें. हांव म्हणटा साडी जावं कितें तरी अशें आज रेप कित्याक लागून जाता म्हाका दिसता असले भडंग म्हणजे ती बिकिनी आनी हाका लागूनच जातात.
आमी निशेध करपाक आमी हांगा आयिल्ली आसा. तुका खबर आसा फाटी पेपराचेर जे ढवळीकाराचे जे तांणी उलयले ते आमचे खरें गोंयचे संस्कृती खातीर तांणी उलयल्ले आसा आनी ताजो पराचो कावळो लोकांनी केल्लो आसा. जवळ 50 महिला
खंयची रिस्पेक्टेबल अशे पर्सन जर ताका सपोर्ट करपाक लागले बिकनी आनी हाका जाल्यार फुडें फुडें इतले डिफिकल्ट वतले आमच्या समाजाक की मागीर हाता भायर ही गोष्ट वतली.
Goa Foundation has launched a campaign named Goenchi Mati Permanent Fund, which demands total control of Goa mining by Union Govt. 4 Goan Padma Shri recipients like Vandal Rodriguez, Norma Alvarez, Suresh Amonkar and Maria Aurora Couto have written to the Chief Minister about the fund and handing over of mining to the centre.
We are raising a public campaign to the Chief Minister to say what is your objection to putting 100% in the fund and not allowing any. Now we are not against mining companies. Mining companies can work, can do mining, but they will get the normal profit which is 20%. Like they will be employed like any other contractor. They will remove the ore, give it to government, government will auction the ore, get the best money, put it in permanent fund. Because it is accepted that the ore is belonging to the people of the state. That if anybody owns any land in a mining lease area and a mining company is occupying it, as of 2007 they have become trespassers. And we have also recommended to all our village groups against whom mining companies had filed trespassing complaints, now they can file reverse complaints and ask for compensation.
NCP has alleged corruption in purchase of medical items including drugs. The party has demanded Chief Secretary to institute a high-level probe into the postponement of tender of Health Department by issuing 11 corrigendums. Health Department had issued a common tender for purchase of medical items. The tender was issued on 21st February 2014, which had 11 corrigendums. NCP spokesperson Trajano Di Malo has alleged open corruption in Health Ministry.
ओपन करप्शन ची पद्धत हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्रीन चालल्या. 21 फेब्रुवारी 2014 गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान टेंडर फ्लोट केलो. आधी वॉच हेल्थ मिनिस्टर बॉब मारतालो की सगळो भ्रष्टाचार चल्ला हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटान चड करून इन द टेंडरिंग प्रोसेस. that the Chief Secretary of the State institutes a probe into this tender of the Goa Medical College as to why it is dilly-dallying, why is the state losing by purchasing drugs and other materials required which are part of this tender in the open market, and immediately come out with a report. As I have told you, it is blatant and naked corruption. And the health minister should reply why 11 corrigendum from 21st February till this day the tender is not being accepted. Not being accepted, why? It's just being postponed. Then it will have to be scrutinized, then accepted, then orders. In the meantime, state exchequer money is going out, drained into the pockets of those who are part and parcel of postponing this whole thing.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.